What if I told you our planet has a voice, and it's not what you'd expect? Deep beneath the oceans, scientists have recorded something eerie, Earth's haunting, otherworldly hum. It's not wind, not waves, just a low, constant vibration, like a giant tuning fork ringing in the dark. Some say it's the pulse of shifting tectonic plates, others whisper it's the planet itself breathing. One thing's certain, this sound is real, and it's sending chills down spines in labs worldwide. So, is Earth trying to tell us something? Drop your wildest theories in the comments, aliens? Ancient giants? Or just science being weirdly cool? And if you love uncovering mysteries, hit subscribe. The planet's got more secrets to share.